Today we make a program to merge two PDFs with the help of Python. So let's start. We require some modules. First module name is OS module. OS module help to interact with your operating system, and also this also directly interact with your files directories of your operating system. Second module name is PyPDF2. In Python library, this help to working and dealing with PDF files like extracting, splitting, reading, and rotate. All these tasks are performed by this module handle and say. So from this module we import PDF writer class. PDF writer class help to write data into a PDF and merging PDF. All these tasks are performed. Now we make object merger of the PDF writer class. And PDF in the now we make a variable name PDF1 in which we store the name of the PDF which is entered by the user. It's stored in the PDF1 variable. So enter the PDF name using at the end .pdf, because you can see that many others directories are present in our operating system, so like image, so we using at the end .pdf. Second, in the second variable PDF2 we enter the second PDF name which is are stored in the PDF2 variable which is entering by the user. Now we make a list. Our list name is files. With we create a list with the help of for loop. File for file in OS list directly. In OS list directly. Basically, with the help of OS module, we in a list in using list directory function we take all the directories from your operating system and make a list, but condition is our directories ends with dash .pdf. Now we make for loop and for loop for PDF in files we take PDF in files, means we are using for loop PDF in files. If PDF is equal to PDF1, means if our any value of list is match our value which is entered by the user, then we use merger.append function. A merger is object, append is a function which is append the data of those PDFs, and using write function the data which is append, the data is added by the append function is write into the new PDF. The new PDF name is merge.pdf. Now we entering the PDF name ag.pdf. Second ag.pdf. You can see that our PDF has been successfully create merge. You can see that in find my finder. So thank you guys.